Hello trader, how are you? In this video, I will explain you about what is M-shaped chart pattern strategy. In our previous video, we learned about the W-shaped strategy and how it's help us catch market reversal. If you have not seen that our old video, you will find the link in the description box. Today I am going to reveal another most useful and most powerful strategy for a binary trader and a digital trader. The M-shaped chart pattern strategy. Guys, this strategy most useful and most powerful strategy for all trader. If you want to take your strategy game on the next level, then see the video actually you want need. So guys, let's start today's video. Guys, before starting today's video, I have a quick announcement for you. I have a Telegram channel in which we provide you 2 free VIP signal and 6 to 10 VIP signal every day with incredible accuracy. I have also uploaded a special PDF file there to help you learn trading step by step. So join our Telegram channel right now. Get our PDF file and more. The link is right below in the description box. So guys, let's start today's video. Guys, as you can see on my computer screen, this is M-shaped market. So we call it the M-shaped chart pattern strategy. In classic analysis, traders also call this the double top pattern. Now, how it's the made in the market and how it's work in the market. Guys, it happens when the market goes up, hits a high point and face resistance, then it's drop down a bit, bonus back up to the extent same level and get rejected to the second time. This form the perfect shape of the M-shaped chart pattern strategy. It's tell us the buyer are losing power and the seller are about to take full control. So this is the main time you can invest your money. Look at the middle low point of the M. We draw a line here called the neckline. When a candle break below this neckline, that is your confirmation. After confirmation, the M-shaped pattern, the market will go down 20 to 30 minutes. This strategy necessary for all trader because its winning ratio 90 to 95%. I personally use this strategy many times and it is the highly reliable strategy for all traders. So as you can see on my winning ratio on my computer screen, all this money is earned by using my own strategy. If you want to learn with me all indicator, all chart pattern and all about trading, then go to my Telegram channel, link in description box. Only for education purpose. You can see my continuous winning on my computer screen right now. If you want to become a professional trader, then join our Telegram channel and get our PDF file. And also don't miss out the VIP signal. Go to my Telegram channel, link in description box. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys. This video made only education purpose.